Hi YouTube neighbors. Today I'm going to show you how I set up my tripod so that I eliminate wind noise, because everybody else I asked done it differently. Most of the people you see on YouTube have a camera person. It's just me. So I got a tripod, and it's Florida. It's usually got some kind of wind going at all times if the sun's up. So here is the way I set up my tripod. That's just a normal umbrella. It's actually my granddaughter's umbrella. And if you can see here, I got a squeeze clamp holding it onto the tripod. The umbrella keeps the wind away. And when I put my camera on here, well, as you can see my phone, I put the bottom of my phone about here so that this also blocks some of the wind, and I make sure that the wind is coming in this direction. And what I also do is the back leg of the tripod I put about 2 inches lower than the front, so that if the wind blows too much with the umbrella on it and catches it, it doesn't come forward, because all of the weight is distributed backwards. It looks kind of funny. Oh, and down here in the bag, I have a ankle weight. Just 2 pounds of weight to keep it grounded. It does look funny. When I was doing the video with it set up this way for the desk, a lot of people drove by. I was in the front of my house, and a lot of the people drove by, and they slowed down and looked, and some of them even chuckled loud enough that I could hear them. So that's the way I do my tripod setup. YouTube neighbors, until the next video, stay safe and healthy.